So after I'm in the sun, I feel dead. I'm praying for death. Hey, I'm Graham. I'm a designer here at Lush in Vancouver, BC. I work on a whole bunch of stuff like campaigns, illustrations, etc. Right now I'm working on Halloween and Christmas. It's summertime, which means the heat is cranked up on me in several aspects of my life. I'm very pale, I have sensitive skin. I'm hiding from the sun for most of this season. But I'm gonna show you some stuff that you can use after you've had a bit of sun and you wanna recoup. All right, so the first one I wanna walk you through is Eau de Creamy Dreamy. This is a shower cream, and you're gonna find that when you're using it, it's sort of like, you might kind of feel like you're washing yourself with lotion, and I love that about it. It's not sudsy, it's not soapy. All I can really feel is my skin healing after taking a beating from all those UV rays. So the next one I wanna go through is Dream Cream. This is one of my favorites. It's probably also one of your favorites. I don't know anyone that doesn't like this stuff. I love it because, unlike a lot of other lotions, I feel like it doesn't take that long to soak in. I'm not greasy for 10 minutes. I just kind of put it on, and when I look down, it's somehow soaked up already. So I love not feeling like, you know, shiny and slippery forever after. But I also noticed that this one is like lightly scented. I don't feel like I smell like it after, which is great. I like to smell like nothing. I can't usually really use a lot of heavily scented stuff, so I love this. So the next one I'm gonna show you is Breath of Fresh Air. This is a toner water. I love this stuff. I don't think you actually technically need an excuse to use this stuff. I use it all the time. I don't use it just after sun, although it is great because it's got aloe and seawater in it. But I think you don't really need an excuse to use it. People in my office, at my table, we have an alarm set for when we're just gonna spritz, and then we all spritz. It's spritz o'clock. It's spritz o'clock all the time. Frankly, I like to use this on people who don't know they're about to have it used on them. So the last one I want to show you is Bunny Moon. This is a jelly face mask, as you can see, with the cool texture. People seem to be quite fond of it. I know I am. I like this one on a day where maybe I've forgotten my sunscreen and maybe I'm feeling slightly zorched. I like this because it's got vanilla in it, and that's going to kind of help my redness go down. So that's my post-sun routine. I hope you found it helpful. I'm interested to know what yours are because, I don't know if you're like me, I'm always trying to find a way to not feel completely zapped after I've been in the sun. So put those down there. I'd be happy to hear about it. And thank you for watching. Let's just bang this out. I don't want to waste a lot of time. What's the name? Lush? I'm a fan of this product. It's a good product. Like it. It's a great product. Let's do it.